If your favorite One Piece character is a mystery, you're a true fan. And no one is more mysterious than Monkey D. Dragon. Monkey D. Dragon, the leader of the Revolutionary Army and Luffy's father. But who is he really? We've seen glimpses of his power, but what are his true motives? Some say he's the key to toppling the world government. Others think he's hiding an even bigger secret. Did you notice how the weather changes when he's around? Could he have the power to control the elements? And what about his connection to Goldie Roger? Is it just a coincidence, or is there more to his lineage than we know? Every time Dragon appears, we're left with more questions than answers. What do you think? Is he the most mysterious character in One Piece? Let us know in the comments.